It is really Invisalign day. Like, see how horrible this looks? We're not gonna look the same in 5 months. Makeup is done. I feel like I'm getting better. Better. I'm just gonna throw on this amazing headband. And there we go. We will be off to the dentist. We have an hour and 13-minute drive, it said. So I think we'll just be listening to a podcast. But goodness, this headband is so thick. All right, time to get dressed. It is really Invisalign day. Like, see how horrible this looks? We're not gonna look the same in 5 months. No, we're not. Do we see all this traffic? This is the second time I came here and got parking right in the front when everything else was full. So lucky. Cool. Thank you. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are
How's
you?
It going?
Good.
So, got your trays. Let's get going. We're going to give you your first trace today.
Okay. Awesome.
Do we have to put some buttons on your teeth?
Yep.
Let's do that right now, okay?
Okay. Just my one question, how long are the trays, like, per tray?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay.
They say 1 week, but I prefer 2 weeks just because I want to be able to save time. Okay? So you don't have any other adjustments to do.
Just this? What do you mean?
Like, we don't need to create any space, we don't need to put any more buttons on your teeth.
We don't?
We don't.
Oh, okay.
So I can give you all the trays today if you want, and you just change them at home. And in 10 weeks we'll do the other half.
It'll be looking
All right.
different. Yay! Okay.
Let me give you the rest.
How's them? You guys, it went so well. It's in. They don't hurt this time, like at all. Last time I got the Invisalign, they were hurting. But this time, I don't really feel anything. So maybe let it sit. It's been like all of 10-15 minutes. He did a great job. He was actually really fast. So I'm happy. All right, now I have to go to the threading spot because this gotta get done. So I'm here with the update. It's been already like an official week of having my trays in, and honestly, they feel really good. I just took them out because I just ate, but I don't know if we can tell a difference yet because it's only 1 week out of 20, so we have 19 more to go. But overall, they don't hurt, and I had done Invisalign before and they just didn't work out because I wasn't wearing them all the time. So it was literally just me. It wasn't, Invisalign. But this time I am really, really much better with them. Like, I keep them in all day, all night, all day, all night. I take them out to eat, and that is it. And just to like clean them. But I am really, really liking it. So I am definitely looking forward to this Thursday when I switch for tray 2. And then I can't wait to like slowly see the difference in the progress every week. But I mean, I guess we can't see a difference really, that like this tooth is more up, this tooth is back, and then this one's more up. I hate showing my smile, I'm so sorry. And then the full thing that I have to do is that when I'm done with my Invisalign, I'm gonna get this cut because this is just too gummy from what my dentist says, so that when I smile, it'll all be lined up. But that is gonna be in the fall time, but no rush. I just wanted to give a quick update. I really do love my Invisalign and I'm happy and it's going really well. So I will do this every week with every tray just to give a good update. So yeah, we'll see you guys for my next one for next week. So thanks for following.